Okay, the third and last vegetable is onions. I'm going to chop this onion in half. We're only going to use half the onion, but we're going to snip off the ends. I'm going to brush them into our sink. I'm going to peel the outer membrane until we get to the nice, soft, yummy onion. And then we're going to slice it lengthwise. And this is going to put sweetness into the stir fry. Not too thick because you really want things to cook. It's okay if things have a little bit, oh, we're going to wash that off a little bit. If they have a little bit of a crunchy texture to the vegetables, it's a nice contrast to the soft meat. So we're going to chop it like so and maybe continue that. And then, bang, seeing as this is a big onion, I'll chop it once in half. Break them up and put them in our ramekin. And now we're just about ready to start cooking our meat.